Hello everyone, welcome to HTML training part 3 that we will continue about the attribute value in the HTML language. So for the basic we study or we learn about the HTML, we have to know clearly or have to learn a lot about the structure or component of the HTML. So now I will show you about the quota attribute, HTML heading, HTML heading element, and HTML horizontal rule. That all these attribute or all these component is mostly used in the HTML coding for a web developer. Okay? So now for the part 2 we learn already about the attribute. So for part 3 we learn about the quota attribute. Quota attribute is like the R attribute and href attribute before also, but it's just quota attribute. We talk specify about the page or about the rule or of attribute value that we will to input in attribute. So all attribute value in of we use with address. We no need to put anything like address, like I say here, as I talked before, like address. In here we cannot put age and put here. Okay, sorry, we cannot put age. We cannot put ABC, right? Cannot put ABC because AS it is we use tag we use for the link to page from one page to one page, but like this one we link to wcschool.com. So if we put it here, how can we link? Where we link go? Where we will go? So we don't know specify link or specify page that we will link. So in this quota attribute, they are confirm or they alert us that we should not put any value or anything that outside page link URL of page. So we must to put the URL of page or of website they want to link to, right? Okay, it is the quota of attribute. And we go to the HTML heading. Mostly we study as before, we not specify what's the heading. So here we will to learn more clearly about the heading. Heading are defined with the H1 to H6 tag. H1 define the most important heading and H6 define the less important heading. That means it is the same, but it's just H1 it is bigger than H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Then if we write in the web page, we saw the web page. I mean H1 is very important block or important point that reader or watcher must to watch or must to read first outside H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So for the H1 until H6 it is so the same as we saw before, right? So now let's start. Okay, now I have here just to show you what are the difference between H1 until H6. A2, A2, right? Okay, A2. Okay, so put here hello world. You all hello world, right? Okay, about A2, I put world hello. About the A3, I put hello all the world, right? All the world. And I pick 4, H4. Okay, I put welcome all friends, right? Okay. But H5, we just to test what are the difference between H1 until H6. Go to home, right? Go to home. And about the Ajax, the last one, we input come on baby, what, come on baby. Okay, so we refresh this one. Okay, plus okay here, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So H1 until H6 it's the same, it's just smaller and bigger. But when we write in the text, so on a website, I mean H1 we specify already important than H2 until H6, and it have a level one by one, right? It is the Ajax element, heading element in the HTML. So you clearly about this one. Okay. So welcome to the HTML horizontal rule. We talked before HTML horizontal rule. The H or tag is defined as semantic break in an HTML page, and it's most often displayed as a horizontal rule. The H or element is used to separate content or define a character in an HTML page, like we have the structure here, HTML1, paragraph, HO, HTML2, HO. So HO, I mean the horizontal rule, I mean it separates of the H1, H2, and H3. So now we practice to know more clearly how it's showing. So we need to practice. Okay. Now I have the jam. Okay, why? Here H1. Okay. Lorem, right? Okay. A2, run, okay. H3, run, control space. Okay. Now we will put about HO between H header. So I put HO. Okay. One. Okay. What will happen? HO. Okay. So we will put here the mean it separate. It have one row, one ruler under here. Right? So if we want to specify clear, we want to refresh our page. Okay, here. Okay, H1 it have one ruler underline here, and here one ruler undefined here. So it is the HTML horizontal rule. The H1 element is used to separate the content. It is horizontal defined. Right? Okay. Okay, it is resolved for the head element and the horizontal rule in the HTML. So make sure that you have clear with the horizontal rule, which H1 or HO, that we use it to separate the content, the H1, H2, and H3. So their talk here, HO it is talk define a semantic break in an HTML page, and it's most often displayed as a horizontal rule. The HO element is used to separate content or define a character in the HTML page, right? Okay. And about the HTML heading, it is just a level of H1, H2 until H6. It is H1 is more important, H2 less important, etc. It is the H1 define the most important heading. About the quota attribute is we will talk about the rule or the quota that we will use value or add attribute to the HTML or use attribute in command or in part of HTML. Okay, so all here it is alright. For the next part we will learn about the HTML paragraph. Okay, thank you for your watching my video tutorial part 3 about the HTML.